Muhrram UL Haram. Muharram is the first and one of the four sacred months of the Islamic calendar. It's considered as the second holiest month after the month of Ramadan. Muharram is so much sacred in Islam that fighting and warfare are forbidden. First day of Muharram is very important, which is known as the day of Ashura. On Ashura, Shia Muslims mourn whenever Sunni Muslims observe fasting. Hazrat Imam Hussain radiyallahu anhu was the beloved grandson of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He and his family and followers in the Battle of Karbala was martyred. The festival in the month of Muharram indicates is the beginning of Islamic New Year. The festival of Muharram is celebrated by both Shia and Sunni Muslims in the world. Processions are carried out on the streets to remember martyrdom of Hazrat Imam Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Thank you.